Meet the Siberian Husky, one of the most stunning and energetic dogs on the planet. Huskies were developed over thousands of years by the Chukchi people of Northeast Asia. In extreme cold, teams of up to 20 huskies pulled sleds across the frozen Siberian wilderness. In 1925, husky sled dogs heroically delivered life-saving serum to Nome, Alaska, over 600 miles away. The legendary lead dog Togo navigated through blizzard conditions at 30 degrees below zero. Siberian Huskies are famously friendly, but don't count on them as guard dogs. Their striking eyes can be blue, brown, or even one of each, nature's own masterpiece. Energetic, loyal, and breathtakingly beautiful, the Siberian Husky is truly one of a kind.